So I've been wanting to ask you something. It's been bugging me, and it's been in the back of my mind the entire day, so I just wanted to ask you now. But did you fuck my bitch? Go. Go. Go.
He's using the wrong terminology right there. The bitch fucked me. Oh, who deleted my work, man? Come on.